Welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be painting an easy seascape. I used masking tape for the partition of horizon line. Used a mixture of primary blue and titanium white for sky. It is crucial that the horizon line is straight and crisp. For the sea, I'm using turquoise blue and green color and adding more white at the bottom so that it resembles with sand at the coast. Making the farther ocean in dark green, and as it comes closer, it is brightened in color. Now we are gonna add a boat. Here I am using blue color for this and burnt umber for inside of the boat. You can use any color for that boat. At the horizon line, we'll add titanium white using a large palette knife, as the palette knife easily gives a straight line. You may use a flat brush for this if you're able to make a straight line with that. At last, I'm giving the final touch to the painting, and I would love to know your feedback about the painting. Please try painting such easy seascape and comment below how it goes for you. Please subscribe to my channel if you are inspired to create a painting. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.